What's up, everybody? My name is Harry Weston, aka Full Out, and welcome back to Dance with VS, Versastyle's online street dance tutorial series. Today, we are going to be learning how to freestyle with the rock. Let's get into it.
Perfect, perfect, perfect.
All right. So first and foremost, if you have not checked out Cynthia, aka C-Soul's instructional video on how to do the rock, please go ahead and check that one out. It's a great video and really breaks down the fundamentals of the rock itself. But if you have, welcome, because this is the next step forward in your freestyle. The rock is one of the foundational movements of hip-hop dance, of many street dance styles, if I want to be real, and it's a great way to practice your groove, your freestyle, your foundation, and your overall feel for hip-hop. So let's get right into it. Let's take a couple rocks just to ground ourselves in what this movement looks like. We're just going to rock straight forward for maybe 1 or 2 8 counts. Ready? 5, 6, and ready, go, and rock, and rock. Rocking the hips, upper body, and 5, and 6, and 5, 6, 7, 8. Nice and easy, nice and loose. Now, one of the great ways to explore your freestyle is to apply different directions to a foundational movement. And that's what we're going to do today. So what we just did, we just rocked forward. Yeah, that's kind of the basic foundation to the front, nice and easy, and that's always where we like to start. So first, I just want you to give me 2 8 counts of that because we're going to build a little bit of a sequence. Right after that, I want you to take it to the angles. That's what I'm going to call it. I'm going to call it angles, yeah? We did forward. Now I want you to go to the right corner or left corner if you want to mirror me, up to you. Right, and then you go to the other side. Left, right, left, right, left. A little faster. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7. Keep going. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Cool? Making sure those hips are still rocking, your head's loose, your shoulders are loose, yeah? We're going forward, and then we're gonna go side to side. Yeah, let's just try that. 5, 6 to 8 counts each. Rock it forward. Rock it forward. Rock it forward. Rock it forward. 1 more 8 and 1 and 3 and 5, 6 to the angles. Go and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Cool? Nice bass. Yeah, and of course, your feet, you can have shoulder width apart. You can do it that way. Just make sure those knees are always bent, yeah? Or you can have your feet out, a little wider than shoulder length. You can go forward from there, and you can go side to side, yeah? Just make sure those knees are always bent. Cool? All right. From there, we're going to rock back. 5, 6, 7, 8. From there, take a little pause and start to rock back, back, back. Yeah? Same action, we're just reversing it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All turn to the side so you can see what I'm doing. Hey, rock it back. Yeah? 5, 6, 7, 8. And I'm playing around a little bit. I'm doing a little bit of a side to side, but if you want to just rock straight back, that's great. Again, those hips are really what's moving, right? And it's just kind of moving the upper body. Cool? Let's try 2 8 counts of the rock, just going straight back. 5, 6, ready to the back. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Keep it going. And 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Again, I can't help it. I'm playing a little bit with my arms, right? I'm playing a little bit with my shoulders. The idea is to have fun with these dances. Yeah, again, this is all about being social and rocking out at parties and clubs and being with your people. Yeah? All right. We got front, we got side, and we got back. Cool? Let's try those together. Just 1 8 count each for now. Nice and slow. 5, 6, ready to the front. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 to the sides. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 to the back. Go. Back and back and back and back. Cool? Last one. Not used as much, but just a great way to start to get to know your body. We're going to rock to the side. So it went back, 6, 7, 8. Now I'm gonna rock to the side. You can think about this going right or going left. It's really up to you, but we're rocking side to side. Yeah, just try that for a minute. Kind of rotating here from the hips, and it's just a good way to just practice what your body's doing, getting that feel. Yeah, a little faster. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Little bit faster. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Keep going. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Cool? Cool. Front, angles, back, and side. Yeah? Let's try it together, nice and slow, no music yet. 5, 6, let's do, I think 1 8 count each is fine for now. Here we go. 5, 6 to the front, go, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 to the sides, go, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 to the back, go, and back, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 to the sides, go, and ya, and da. Da, 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 da. Yeah? Cool. Let's try all that with some music. Here we go. Ready? Here we go. 5, 6 to the front. And 1. 5, 6 angles. To the back. Hey. To the sides. 1. Hey, cool. One more time. Here we go. Have some fun. And 5, and 6, 5, 6 to the front. And 1. Hey, angles. To the back. To the sides. Yes, very nice, very nice. All right, so now that you've got a little sequence, you can always return to that. It's a great way to explore those movements on your own, right? You can do it as long as you want. You can just hang out at the front, hang out at the angles, whatever suits you best. Now we get to the freestyle part. So I'm gonna freestyle with rocks, thinking about directions. I'm gonna use all the different directions I can think of. I'm gonna go forward, angles, side, back. I might drop it a little bit low. I might try to start to turn with it. I'm gonna have some fun and play. You're welcome to watch and learn. You're welcome to use this time to play on your own as well. Find what's comfortable for you. But let's have some fun just with rocks. Ready? Here we go. All right, let's start with just to the front, yeah? And then I'll get crazy. Here we go, to the front, and 1. And expand. All right, exploration, fun. I'm playing with arms, I'm moving my feet a little bit, I'm turning in circles. Just explore, have a good time. There are no limits to freestyle, as long as you have a good base, yeah? That's why it's called freestyle. It's free, but you got a little style in there too. We're not just moving, right? Use that rock as your foundation, and then go to town. All right, that is it for today's video, learning how to freestyle with your rock. Again, my name is Harry Weston, aka Full Out. You can find me on Instagram at FullOut89, but most importantly, hit that subscribe button below, hit the like button, throw us a comment, tell us what you want to see from these videos, what do you like about these videos, share with a friend. We've got tons of tutorials on this channel in all different kinds of street dance styles, and we hope to see you again soon. And of course, follow VersaStyle on Instagram at VersaStyleLA, and we'll see you again soon. Peace.